Okay guys, we made it to the builder show. Alright everybody, welcome back. We are headed to the 2022 IBS show. I've never thought about that until y'all started saying it. We're going to the International Bowel Syndrome Convention. That is, now I'm not going to not think about it when I say it. International Builders Show 2022. They didn't have one last year because of COVID. But we are also going to
Universal with our 3 angels that we have in the back.
Yeah.
Pray for us for this ride.
Say hello.
And Finn.
Say hey, Finn.
And little Finn.
I don't know what y'all can
only
actually
45
see.
minutes en route, so we still have 4.5 hours.
Well, this crew, we got 7 more hours. But anyhow, we are on the road.
Yes, we are.
Nasty, ugly day. Hopefully it'll get out of here and we'll have a good time at the parks. But we will check in later.
You're smacking so loud.
No smacking, no talking.
That's right, no talking.
Just sit there and ride. Gonna get blistered. Okay, we're going for the shot over the catwalk into the hoodie. By the way, we made it to Orlando. This is the crazy house. There's everybody. There's Finn, Gavin. Okay, now go for the shot. Over the catwalk. Up. All right, come on. You're gonna try the shot or what?
What is the shot? They've been trying. They're not.
Yeah, that would be good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! Made it in the hoodie over the catwalk.
Alright, that's it. Back.
Right here.
Yeah. This is the Clampetts go on vacation. Not even close. No, you can't move. You have to stay still. Part of the shot, bruh. Bruh. Come on, bruh. Here it goes. Here it goes. Oh, wait for it. Oh, right in the forehead. $40. Okay, guys. We made it to the builder show. We're on a ride, but it's not a roller coaster.
It's a $40.
$40 bike ride.
In the Cinderella.
In the Cinderella special. You can see we're under some Bisqueen here. As we go down the road.
We should wave. Oh, don't lean too hard to one
Oh,
side.
Kenzie, what do you think about the ride?
Oh,
He's coming in hot. He's getting us. He's pedaling. He's cheating. He was pedaling, and these are lefties. He ain't supposed to pedal. We'll get back with you. Made it in. Trying to get our badges. We'll explain later the ride of our life in that thing. We almost got killed twice. But now we're going to get our badges. Coming down the escalator. About to come into the build show. The build show. Here we are. Show them how excited you are. She says we have to.
Mama wants right here.
She says we have to redo the bathroom.
Look at that, y'all. Come on.
I don't know if you can see the texture.
Hammered copper.
It is all hammered copper.
Beautiful. Yay.
Good. How are you? Excuse me. Very cool product, guys. Snap blocks. It's a man-made engineered hardwood. Really cool product. This is the kind of things I like to see right here. They say hand built and they mean hand built.
Put it up there. It'll rest the whole. Okay, it's all right. We're right over here. So I've been watching. I just checked out on drill bits.
Electronic identification.
Got a 40 bit up down over here. Dude, we don't have. They would be with a plug in copper. If you want to be slicing copper, ours are finely enough. So like, if copper
guys hand making these lanterns.
Stainless steel.
All these different lanterns they
Where I
have.
was like, we might want it for that.
Really, really cool.
Yeah, that thing can't be copper. You'd be just as good with a.
That is cool.
Punching a hole in it. Those are good. And you guys
Definitely will be using these guys in the near future.
Employment opportunity. We have
Guys, this is the kind of thing that go on in the build shows. Hammer and nail challenge.
Everybody's the winner.
On
Do you
your
mind
mark.
if I get your QR code?
get set. Go. Oh, spark it up, Chase. I see sparks flying. I see sparks. Uh-oh. 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 Here we go. Here we go. Go. We got a race. Whoa. That was close, Chase.
We found the food. Come on, Caden. We gotta pick what we want. It goes all the way down. We found the food court.
We found a food court.
Now we just gotta decide what we're gonna eat.
All the
This is what we went with. Yummy.
Just your hot water heater unplugs your gas hot water heater. Just unplugs, you take it out, you put this in its place, you use the same fittings, put it back up. Okay? And then day one you're off the grid. It makes all the power for the house in 3 hours a day. Average home is 10 kilowatts, so average home uses 30 kilowatt hours.
Yeah, this is the coolest thing I've ever seen. That's what it would look like at your house. It's a complete standalone water heater, generator. This is the way things are going. You won't have to hook to the power grid anymore.
Babe, you have to try. I need you over here. I need
She needs me over here. Oh, I gotta finish telling the story. Anyhow, so this is gonna be huge. I mean, I just had a 30-minute conversation with this guy about this system. This is gonna be one of the coolest. It's your home generator. It's your home power generator. You'll have no use for the grid anymore. You'll generate your own power. And it uses less fuel than a standard hot water heater, or not hot water heater. It's crazy. It's really cool. This is the next big thing. Here's all the awards it's won already. They are show, best sustainable product, best in show, best efficiency product, best home technology. I'm telling you, we're gonna see that everywhere. And I'm gonna put it in one of my homes. All right, guys, I'm gonna bring this brand new product hot on the market. You've never seen anything like this. Neck, back, and shoulder pain. It takes it all away. This is where it is at. 10 minutes on a vibrotherapy machine. 1 hour on a treadmill.
It's a free.
That just happened.
He's feeling it. I'll be throwing up. It's like getting off a ride.
That is something else.
Get up there and try it. I'll record you.
Okay.
Get up there.
Can you hold it?
In 10 minutes. All right. Hold on to what you got. Oh. Hold on to the thing, babe. Hold on. Hold on.
But you're not getting the breathing hard from like actually running or walking.
Well, once you start, you do that.
So y'all think about it. So we just shake it off? Just shake it off.
Shake it off. That was $20,000.
$20,000.
This one, all you do is pop that out, but the key on it is to just pop this in like this, and it's installed. And then to release it, you just pop it out and then push it back in, and there you go.
That is really cool.
But just like that, it's installed in seconds. And that's really the design, because the mill shops want to get as many doors secured as possible and ship as many as possible. So
that is really cool. That would work really well for a temporary doorknob.
Oh yeah.
Just, will you show me this again so I can show everybody?
Yeah, and then this one, you just remove the pin, and you pop that through, and that's your install. So to change your opening, because this is too open, you just hold this and you rotate that top tab. So now they're opposite, now you get a little pass. So you have it actually stop. And then when you're done, you just pop that down and you're done.
That is really cool.
It blends right in. We've got 8 different finishes, so you really aren't going to see it. And it looks great.
That is really
Replaces
awesome.
all this.
Yeah, no more
Replaces all of those. So you don't have to
little door stoppers
do
tore out of your
more harm than
baseboard.
good with those other stops.
No more holes in the doors. It's called Door Saver 3, guys. Great product. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, guys.
Great product. Definitely gonna be using these on my house. Alright guys, we're over here in the this is the new product zone. Some of the new products. Through here, right there. Excuse me.
You can have your customers do virtual tours of the home.
Well, that's cool. Virtual tour to be able to solve the problem of how to display properly when the buyer cannot. And you can even stage it virtually.
Yeah.
Yeah. I saw somebody else advertising that. They stage homes virtually. We do get virtual stuff for some of our houses. That is really cool. That's a cool feature. The wood seller creates a new, stronger outdoor decking material, thermoplastic,
Is this that stuff that guy was showing you?
kept from recycled tires and formed into realistic wood grain decking in multiple colors. Material is 100% recycled and 100% recyclable. The planks have excellent flexural strength and are easy to work with, probably the same density weight as most hardwoods. Integral structure means no fading, no checking, no splitting, no splintering for years to come. Wow, that is really cool.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
It's 100% recycled. Looks like Trex. Much stiffer than Trex. Wood grain. 100% recyclable, and you can it's from recycled materials.
It looks just like wood.
They even make posts. That is really cool. I'm about to look these people up. Externa deck. Cool.
Same
Make
thing.
gates out of it.
Same thing, but in
They make flooring. Yep, it's new flooring. Yep. All 100% recycled. Looks just like the same channel that the LifeProof flooring has. Really cool. What else we got?
Cool.
High-tech pet products.
It sensors them so they can go out.
Oh yeah, the Wi-Fi controlled pet door. I've seen that on a commercial.
It allows you to let them go outside.
Let them in and
for
out.
friends.
They even have Wi-Fi controlled treat dispensers. You can give them a treat when you want.
I don't know what this is.
It's a grinder pump. People that have oh wow, that goes directly behind the toll. Wow. That goes in the wall behind the toll. That's something else. The gravity drainage is not available. Cost prohibitive. The recessed side in it. Nick could use this. Oh, this is if you want to add a bathroom somewhere and you don't want to cut the floor out. That is awesome. Alright guys, this is for if you want to add a bathroom in your house, like here, and you don't want to cut your foundation all up. It's on the first floor. You can add your toilet. It goes right behind it. See it back there in the wall? You just build a cavity. It's pretty thin, not very thick. Probably 8 inches at its widest. So you just build a cavity behind it in the wall, a little bump out, and then you can pump it wherever it needs to go. That is really ingenious. Let's keep looking. Alright guys, some of this stuff over here is definitely my favorite part. This is a new product. 12 horsepower. There is no unit of its kind in the US market because it is the only air conditioner heat pump with no outdoor unit. The Maestro Pro is a 12,000 BTU heat pump and there's no outside unit. So this is all you have. And you know, this is the first one, so I'm sure they'll refine it, get it better looking. But that is amazing. There's no outside unit whatsoever. It's just inside. That is really, really cool. That'll be big soon, I'm sure. Cavity sliders, pocket doors. We use those now. We're going to be using those now. Found out that the supplier that I already use has them in stock, and she's never told me about them. So anyhow, let's keep going. These are getting real big. Home charging stations. Very big. In all our houses we build, we put these in. We put these in, so we have home charging stations for electric cars. Very cool. That is what we do. Look there. Plugs into 110. That is really cool. It must convert it up.
Got it already?
This is a nice door here. We're going to start doing this in our homes. These little lights here for lighting up the door handle and lighting up down here, and then it's got one up here.
Yeah, it's got a built-in ring system.
There's a built-in ring doorbell.
Keypad, all built in.
And it must have a built-in battery because this door will work even with a power outage. So it's really cool. Really cool. The TV's not working. Talking about it. Really cool.
Can I ask you a question?
You're trying to find a cure for her ideas.
We're walking the 5 miles to get to the other building for the rest of the show.
Freezing weather.
It's not bad. It actually feels good out here.
No.
But it is nasty and rainy.
This is not the Florida that I love.
But I'm glad it's doing this today when we're inside. The rest of the time we'll be outside. But if we get in here, we'll get back with you. Still walking. I do like that door. I like the hardware too.
Yeah.
I like that.
That is a really cool door. The hardware. Really cool. One of the houses I'm building right now, I need 2 of them for the main living room area.
Yeah.
One goes into a pantry and one goes into a bathroom area.
Where do y'all build at?
Up in Santa Rosa, Alice Beach, Rosemary, up in Panhandle.
Oh, nice.
Alright guys, I was checking out this product here. Y'all gotta see the screen. It's a screen, that's my hand behind it. But it's a TV, or some sort of TV. But if you see, you can see the people walking around behind it. That's my hand, right there. That is absolutely, it has a very thin little plexiglass edge. That is absolutely crazy. That is the coolest thing. Wow.
Lights.
30 bold flame colors, custom design options, Earth's cleanest natural fuel, net zero fire.
I want to see the red one.
That is really cool. That is really cool. Alright guys, this is the new Ford Lightning Pro. This is the front. It's a charging station. There's the grill.
They don't even have it.
Here's the side.
This is the lariat one.
Check that screen out. That is really cool. 12 volt. Full electric. I wonder what the range on this thing is.
Starts at 39.
That's how long it is.
This is so cool. This is so cool. I wanted to talk to them about ordering one. What the price is. I want to hop in the driver's seat.
Yeah, no, this is available everywhere.
Excuse me. See there, guys? Full digital screen. And then you have a giant screen there. Wow. I'm gonna see about ordering one. She said they're coming in this summer.
See the big old
I was about to order a new truck, so I may go with this. I need to find out what the range is. Alright guys, the day is winding down.
Mama is
We only have a few minutes left.
aftermath of walking. My neck,
Kids, how many steps did we walk? Like 20,000, 5,000, something?
way too many.
That's wrong. We walked way more than
I'm not
5,000
here to
steps.
see it.
No, that's way wrong. Because when I used to wear my watch,
It's not very
I didn't
accurate.
walk near this
I
much.
don't know how
Yeah, we've walked at least 20,000, 30,000, somewhere in there.
I've lost 10 pounds
But-
today.
We're trying to see if we can find any last little hidden boosts that catch our attention.
I'm trying to find
But, yeah.
Mine says 10,000 steps.
We need to get an Uber. The truck's about 2 miles away from us. But
We're not
we
paying
find-
$40 to get for that
no more
ride.
$40 bike rides
Oh my god.
that we almost got killed on. We haven't told that story yet, but we will. Don't worry, it's coming. Let's see if we can
That's the
find
new
anything
truck,
else
yeah.
that's cool.
That's the new
That's the new
F-150.
truck.
We'll get back. Oh, new trucks.
Insert the video.
All right, guys, gals, we're leaving the show. We're all hurting from the 2 mile walk we just went back on, but I wasn't paying $40 for another crazy bike ride where we're almost gonna die. So
Who needs to
I mean-
go to a theme park when you got
I mean, yeah,
Veronica on the pedal bike
I don't know
stealing
where.
our money?
Of course, we get in the little cart that she's used PVC pipes. You'll see on the video to make a little roof with Visqueen.
It works.
She stole off a job site somewhere. We get riding, and then she says, $10 a person, okay?
Babe, go. It's telling you to go.
And then it's like, well, actually that's kind of steep. There's 4 of us. That's $40 for, 5-minute bike ride. But whatever.
Everybody does it.
Hopefully we got where we almost died in the wreck on the camera, but I don't think I was recording at that time. But anyhow, we had a great time. We got some new stuff, new ideas, some,
I
some
can't move
great
my
new
neck, so I
products.
can't look at the camera because I don't know where I slept last night and all that walking.
She can't move.
I cannot move and there's not enough Tylenol.
Her back and neck and everything else is
Just my neck.
falling off.
I'll be adding things.
Anyhow, so we had a good time. We got a lot of new ideas. Definitely found some new products that I'm going to be using in the near future. Waiting for some products to come out March or April. Some new siding products that are cheaper than what I'm using now, but better products. And they're building brand new factories, so they won't have any issues with supply.
Look at that. They got Walgreens and
But,
that little thing like that.
That's in March, end of March is when the factory comes online, so they'll be pumping out product. So
There's a small
anyhow,
Do they have Coca-Cola?
now we will get to the fun stuff.
What's that?
Well, this was fun too, but we'll get to a lot more fun stuff with the parks and everything else, and we'll keep y'all posted.
With like a big...
See ya.